Now I'm going to mix in my jade mushroom, my purple cabbage, and then my bell pepper. Mix the dark soy sauce, pepper. Tapos na, very quick tan. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nelia Creasey. Guys, magawa tayo ng quick dinner. Quick lang to. Kasi gabi na. Kakarating lang namin. So, nagsaute ako ng garlic, ginger, at saka onion. White onion. Tapos, inilagay ko ang aking meat. Naggamit ako ng pork loin. Mabilisan lang to guys. Kasi gabi na. Lagyan natin guys ng 3 tablespoon na beer. Tapos, ilagay ko na ang aking vegetables. Now I'm going to mix in my jade mushroom, my purple cabbage, and then my bell pepper. Going to mix. Tapos ilagay ko na ang aking sauce, which I combine the oyster sauce, the dark soy sauce, and sweet soy sauce. Lagyan natin ng black pepper. And this is done. Tingnan nyo yan, guys. Tapos na. Very quick tan. It is a very quick dinner. Luto na ang aking vegetables. Very easy, guys. All the ingredients are in your kitchen. Guys, ready na. Kita mo yan? Gaano ka-colorful ang aking dinner. Thank you for watching. Bye!